Here are 10 things that you should be buying at Aldi this month. Starting in our number 10 spot, we have this beautiful touch screen blender priced at $39.99. It has 7 speeds, high performance. It comes in a multitude of colors. We have green, white, and black. It is also dishwasher safe and has 700 watts of motor power. This is wonderful, especially if you are wanting to get in shape after the new year. Smoothies are always a great alternative for a quick and healthy meal and or snack. I also run a fitness channel here on YouTube. I will link in the description box below. In our number 9 spot, we have this Home Chef mat priced at $14.99. It comes in a variety of colors. We have the blue, the beige, and the gray. It's 24 by 36. I love the grip on this kitchen mat, but you could also use it in a bathroom. You could use it next to a bathtub. It is skid and stain resistant, which is awesome. You know I love that, being a cleaning fanatic. It also is anti-fatigue and cushioned foam for extra comfort. In our number 8 spot is the hanging stackable basket. It comes in 2 colors. We have the black and then the silver gray color. It is priced at $9.99 and you get 2 in a set. I was so excited when I saw these. I have been thinking about buying them on Amazon, but I just wasn't ready to pull the trigger. But when I saw them here at Aldi, I was like, heck yes. This can help you save space in your kitchen, your bathroom, a closet, really anywhere. In fact, similar hanging stackable baskets on Amazon can run anywhere from $30 and over $40. I think I could clean up this area in my pantry a little bit better. I have to say I love this, and of course I had to start organizing other things while I was in here, but it's sturdy, it holds up. I like that it's off the ground and I can store more items down here should I need to. In our number 7 spot, we have our pan and shelf organizers. I have something very similar that I found on Amazon that I did in a previous video, but the quality on these ones here from Aldi are spectacular. Again, it comes in 2 colors. We have the black and the silver gray. 2 come in a pack. I love the corner option so that you could have some extra space and storage. They also have a pot and a pan organizer. It is very sturdy for a price point of $6.99. Mind-blowing. In our number 6 spot are these drain accessories priced at $3.99. You can use them in the shower to help prevent clogs and help catch that hair so you have less cleaning to do, which is exciting. There's a couple of different design options available for you. They also have these beautiful sink plug and strainers. I love the duck and flower detail on them. I must say, these are really fun. They're like some fancy earrings. Now, I recently cleaned my shower drain for a different video, but let's just see what we can find in here. I'm supposed to insert this little chain down the drain. Well, that certainly is cute. Should we just pull it out and see if I got anything down in there? Da-da-da. That is pretty good. Like I said, I just cleaned my drain, but this is good. Got that back in there. I will report in a later video how this worked over a prolonged period of time, but I like initially it's gonna stop hair from going down there for a good portion of the drain. In our number 5 spot is this bag saver and organizer priced at $6.99. There are 2 hooks for hanging, so this is apartment friendly, which is a double bonus, and no tools are required for assembly. It's gonna help you maximize your cabinet space. It can store up to 20 reusable shopping bags, great for your Aldi extravaganzas, and it can also hold 6 wrapped boxes. The possibilities on this one are endless. Again, I have something similar from Amazon, but I actually prefer this one a bit better. There's also this bag saver, which you can attach to any place that you please, and it holds up to 30 bags. In our number 4 spot, I got so excited when I saw this. This is the squatting stool, or you may have heard it called the squatty potty, priced at $14.99. It comes in this gray and white, and it has 8 inches in height. It's going to help you sit, elevate, and eliminate comfortably Now, doesn't that roll off your tongue? This ergonomic design is how we are meant to, well, you know the deed. It imitates your natural and squatting position. I actually have 2 of these in my house that I got for my husband for his birthday as a gag gift. And on a serious note, you can see here on Amazon, these squatting stools are priced anywhere from $24 all the way up to $40. Here's a nice acrylic one we keep in our downstairs bathroom. And this bamboo collapsible one. However, the Aldi prices cannot be beat. In our number 3 spot is this beautiful wire tray. I wanted to buy one of these so badly, but I already have 2 similar in my home, and I have to put a stop to things at some point. But this one's priced at $16.99. I love the colors. We have pink, we have a black, and it looks sort of like a light green. I love the handles on there, especially if you wanted to serve food in this, or you wanted to put candles, a flower arrangement, or just change it out for the season. I love it on a counter, a table, or a bathroom. These trays are absolutely stunning. And again, I'm just blown away by the quality and the price point on these. In our number 2 spot is this 3-tier organizer. I saw this and I thought, no way, Aldi, you have outdone yourself. I recently did an Amazon pantry organization video, and heck, I could have just come to Aldi. You can use this in your bathroom, in your pantry, in your office, or your closet for $7.99. And it comes with 4 labels. Awesome. So we have snacks, herbs and spices, oils, and kids. I like the variety. Amazon, Aldi. I like that there's these lips right here. Now, if we look back here, I do have a tiered tray I got from Amazon, and it's okay, but I'm more excited about the Aldi one. Thumbs up if you can relate to me on this one. I'm obsessed with all things candles. So in our number 1 spot, we have these beautiful candles. Yes, from Aldi. Who knew that Aldi sold candles? Also, with Valentine's Day approaching, candles are a great option. So many varieties here. Priced anywhere from $4.49 all the way up to $8.99, which is a steal because I am an avid candle connoisseur. There are times I've paid over $30 for one simple candle. I should have just been shopping at Aldi. I love all of these scents, but I have to say the raspberry rose is my favorite. Well, I will say this tea garden one also smells lovely. And a couple of bonus items here. Look at these muffins. Every Friday morning I make muffins for my 4 children. I thought, why don't I just save myself a little bit of time? And at a price point of $3.89, that's almost the price of a package or box of muffins that I would make. And might I say, these muffins are tasty. I love the chocolate chip, but the blueberry is also nice. Okay, Natalie, on a scale out of 1 to 10, how would you rate this muffin?
A 9.
A 9. Woohoo! And Matthew, how would you rate your muffin?
100.
100. He ate most of it, all the good toppings. And then this protein bread priced at $3.99. I could not believe my eyes. 10 grams of protein for 1 slice of bread. I have yet to try this, but make sure that you are subscribed and I will report back to you. I lied, just kidding. I can't do that to you. I'm gonna make a grilled cheese and some tomato soup. I have to say I like the bread if you do not mind the nutty option, but this is a nice alternative, especially with a little protein pack. All right, my friend, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.